Okay, this is the real finished look, not whatever I just showed you. Why am I like this? I get so excited to film. Good, beautiful day, Oyinkan here. Hi guys, hi. Okay, let me let the hair loose a little bit. I can't be this raggedy, so I'm coming to you raggedy because I'm about to beat my face and go from 0 to 100 real quick, 0 to 100 real quick, 0 to 100 real quick. So I'm about to challenge myself to see if I can do my makeup in 15 minutes. If I can really do 10, that would be nice, but 15 minutes. So right now it's 4:40. If I can be finished by 4:45, no, 4:45, that's 5 minutes. 4:55, then we'll be good to go, right? So to set myself up, I'm gonna do my brows separately because, girl, there's no ways we're counting the brows, okay? And I'm gonna lay my brushes out because I am not about to waste any of my minutes searching for a brush. That's not happening. No thank you, no ma'am. And it's gonna be like a really easy, watered down version of my usual shebang. 15-minute makeup trial. What should I title this? Title this video from me in the comments. Of course, obviously by the time you see it, it's gonna have a title. But I'm saying, title it what you think it should be titled. 15-minute video shebang. And yes, I'm still gonna do lashes, cause duh. I'm not doing eyeshadow, cause eyeshadow takes time, girls. Even though it only takes me like 6 minutes to do eyeshadow, those are 6 precious minutes I can spend doing something else. Okay, so I think I have everything laid out. I'm going to do my brows separate from the countdown, cause girl, I'm gonna throw on the new Fenty highlighter too. We gonna use that in here. While I'm doing my brows, make sure you subscribe. And turn your notifications as well. And also make sure you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. What else is out there? Pinterest. I forget. Facebook. I'm back on Facebook, on my Facebook page now. I'm back posting there again. I didn't post there for a while. Guys, like everybody needs a break sometimes. I just happen to take longer breaks than the average person. My breaks be like for years. I'll be like, oh, let me just not do that for a couple days. Next thing you know, years go by and I still I haven't been on the platform. I don't know why I'm like this. It just is how it is, okay? It just is how it is, but I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. And I'm gonna throw on these earrings. These are the dashing earrings, darling. Dashing through the snow. Link below. It's from my accessories line. Okay, I think my brows are decent because there's no way I'm putting the timer on without my brows being, let me put my mirror like right over here. That's better. Without my brows being on point. Yeah, squirrel. Okay, now we can start. Wait, let me. Why am I scared? Oh my gosh. Okay, let me lay everything out because you're not setting me up. You're not setting me. Yes, I'm blaming you guys. Yes, you're not setting me up. I remember when this used to be a thing. I don't remember the time limit they used to give themselves, but I remember when this used to be a thing on YouTube years ago. It was like a trend. It's not a trend anymore though. Like I don't even expect people to really watch this video because I know it's not something anyone is like, you know, creating or talking about or whatever. But I just felt like it was gonna be a fun video to do. Wait, where's my setting powder? I wanted to use one size. I'll use Laura Mercier and Fenty. How about that? How about those apples? Look how long it's taking me to set up. It's gonna take me longer to set up than to actually do my actual makeup. Like what on earth? Oh my gosh, I had this Laura Mercier setting powder since like 2017. Not telling you to use makeup for that long. Do what you do, I do what I do, okay? Maybe halfway through I'll throw on my real clothes because I can't be out here looking like this. Let me at least throw on my earrings. I deserve to wear earrings. Yeah, let me at least throw on earrings. Just to look like I care about my appearance. Like I said, these are linked below. My shirt is inside out. Okay, forgive my entire attire. Ooh, that rhymed. I got bars. Entire attire. Forgive my entire attire, okay? Okay, at least I look like half decent, right? Okay, boom. Let's get into it. I'm gonna set the timer and we're aiming for 15 minutes, but I would really love to finish this in 10, so we'll see. I got something on my phone. We'll see. Timer 15 minutes, okay. Okay, we can do this. Si se puede. Si Si se puede. I might skip out on the lips. You don't always need you could just do a good old Vaseline, honey. A good old Vaseline, okay? All right, in case you don't believe me. See? What does that say? Wait, it's not focused. See how it says 15 minutes? I'm being truthful. All right, it's starting now. I'm gonna start off with concealer, and I'm putting her on my lid just a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. And then I'm going to blend her. OMG. I'm gonna blend her. Almost 30 seconds gone already. And I'm gonna put the Laura Mercier on my lids. See how it's a whole, like when I do my quick boom boom, I kind of did this earlier this week when I had to rush. And like literally I was in a meeting virtually and I was like, I have to do my makeup. I was like, I have to do my makeup while it was a whole thing. But anyway, putting on primer. This is like for my girls that gotta rush. For my girls that don't have time, yo, let me tell you, this routine right here is it. All the girls getting made up. I was trying to make it sound like pretty girl swag and pretty but I couldn't come up with words. I'm not a rapper. I'm not a, I'm just a girl. I'm creative on other levels. Rapping ain't it. It's not my forte. Hey, forte. Hey. That's happening in setting. I'm just going to brush off the excess powder off my lids. That was just to like set, And I'm gonna do this because I need this primer to like really, it's taking a while. Oh, and I sprayed glitter spray on my chest because, I couldn't not be myself. So I had to spray some glitter spray. All right, boom. All right, so next we're gonna do 12 minutes left. Foundation. Yes, girl. Yes. And then I'm going to blend her out. I feel like I didn't put enough foundation. But when you're doing like minimal light makeup, whatever thing, then I feel like you don't really need, or am I wrong? Tell me if I'm wrong. I should have put more foundation. I didn't. Next time I would. Oh, another video I can do is no makeup. Tell me if you want me to do no makeup, and we can get that done. We can get that done, girl. I'll do that later on. One of these days this month, I'm gonna do no makeup. Like in a couple days from when you're seeing this, a couple days later, you're gonna see me do no makeup. Mark my words. Okay, boom. 11 minutes. And then next, I just put concealer, no liner. Who needs liner? Oh, I need to set, oh my gosh. I'm putting glue on my lashes because that needs to be cooking while I'm putting on, while I'm doing my concealer routine thingy. Oh my gosh, I hate when the glue comes out like that because oh, why are you doing that? It's messing up everything, yo. Annoying. So annoying. Wow. Oh! Darn it. Darn. Oh. It's the way the glue came out. It was just like spitting glue out. And like, you don't want to get glue on all of your lashes because it's going to mess up your lashes, in my unprofessional opinion. 9 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay, next, concealer. I'm going to put it on my forehead because we gotta hit the forehead. I should put a little, just a little glistening on my, like I can't be, come on girl. I'm gonna do a little glisten on my lids because I deserve. And if anybody ever told you I didn't deserve, tell them they're lying because I deserve to glisten at all times. Yeah, that feels better. It just feels better. All right, boom. So that's that. Blending it out. We are going to blend it out. We are going to blend it out. Blending it out. We are going to blend it out. 8 minutes and 6 seconds. Okay, so where is it? Okay, boom. Laura Mercier. You guys remember my old routine. Laura Mercier underneath the eyes. This is what I used to always do. We are going to blend it out. We are going. Fenty. Hey. 7 minutes and 14 seconds. Fenty on. I think I'm gonna be actually good. Can you believe this? I think I just might make it. Just might make it. Okay. Now to put the lashes on. Should be good. Oh, still wet. I guess I was moving too fast. I was moving so fast. My lash glue's still wet. Ugh. These are IMV lashes, by the way. Very cost effective. You can find it at your local beauty supply store or on Amazon. Gosh, the lash is taking too much time. Wow, to see my real lashes pulled out on the lash wet. The lash is still wet, so I'm like fiddling with it because it's still wet. Gosh, 5 minutes and 15 seconds. If it wasn't for the lash, I feel like I would finish early. Okay, I'm taking off my setting powder. Right? Oh, my brows are not perfect. Okay, and then I'm gonna go into her. I forgot to take her out beforehand. Darn it, darn. Oh my gosh. Where's the mascara? This is wasting time. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay, this is really wasting time. I can't find my oh my gosh. Here it is. 3 minutes and 57 seconds. Putting on Pat McGrath mascara. All right, I did as much as I could, girl. I don't have time to be packing it on. Oh, I forgot to take the bronzer out. Yes, we still got time to bronze, girl. Still got time to bronze. So I'm bronzing, okay? And then I'm going into the Fenty Rose Rave, hey! And I'm just putting that on my cheekies. Now we could pack something on. I'm gonna go into Water Brat. I really love when I do this combo. Water Brat, 2 minutes and 40 seconds left. And then I'm gonna go into Rose Rave on top. See her? She's cute. I may have overdone the highlighter situation, but God is good. We're just gonna tone her down with this little powder brush. 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Put her on. Okay. Oh, let me put a little bit of on my and then I'm gonna put a little bit on my lip. 1 minute and 50 seconds. We're just gonna do just a little lippy. Just a little and a little and a little Okay, now to do the lipstick, I'm just gonna do Pat McGrath. Omi. She had an epic Cyber Monday sale, by the way. Did you catch that? I totally forgot to shop it. 1 minute and 10 seconds. I added the items to cart and I just forgot to check out. That happens to me a lot, by the way. Since I have a tiny bit of time, I'm gonna go into Rose Rave. I have 52 seconds left. I'm gonna go into Rose Rave and just catch my inner corner. And then, you know what? I'm just gonna use Rose Rave to catch my brow bone. Usually I use something else, but I don't have time to search for something else. I'm just catching brow bone. 33 seconds left, and wow! 24 seconds left. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, I don't know if my camera is picking it up. 24 seconds left. So I did my makeup in 14 minutes and 36 seconds. I'm proud of me. Oh, I'm so proud of me. Are you proud of me? Because I'm proud. Let me get dressed, girl, so you can see the real finished look, because this is not it. Or should we just leave it as this? No, this is not it. Okay, this is the real finished look, not whatever I just showed you. I'm kidding. But I threw on this dress, which is, I have on my basketball shorts underneath because I didn't feel like taking it off yet. But I threw on this dress. Super duper love it. I've always wanted to wear it. I've had it for years, but I don't know, never got around to it. And then COVID happened and I really didn't get around to it. But I might throw it on in the spring and go somewhere, you know? But yeah, this is my finished look. That was really intense. That was, girl. But I did good for 14 minutes and 36 seconds, right? Was it 36 seconds? Well, how much time did I have left? I did really good. I did so good. I did really, really good. Proud of me. Love it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Can't believe I did it. I love you. God loves you. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe. And have you tried doing your makeup in 14 minutes? Well, I'm tooting my own horn over here. Have you tried doing it in 15 minutes? Let me know if that's something that's possible for you, because I thought it was impossible for me. I really challenged myself and I can't believe I really did it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. I love you, love you, love you. Thank you, girl. All right. Bye, girl. Oh yeah, make sure you subscribe and check out my other videos somewhere over here, girl. Yes, girl. Live your life. Love yourself. Please love yourself. Self-love is thebomb.com. Peace.